Welcome to Leadership is Influence, the Law of Influence, a deep dive into what true leadership really means. Have you ever met someone with a big title, but no real impact? Or someone without a title, yet they're the one everyone listens to? This highlights the core concept, the difference between a big title and real, meaningful impact. John Maxwell calls this the law of influence, and the truth is, leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. To prove it, let's look at a powerful story, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and the power of influence. In 1963, on the steps of the Lincoln Memorial, Dr. King stood before over 250,000 people. He held no political office, commanded no armies. But his words, "I have a dream," sparked a movement that changed history. Why? Because leadership is not about titles, it's about influence. King didn't rely on power or position. His influence came from his vision, conviction, and ability to connect with people's hearts. John Maxwell teaches that true leadership is measured in one word: influence. Not control, not authority, but the ability to move people. Here are 3 truths every leader should know. First, titles don't guarantee influence. Just because you're the boss doesn't mean people will follow you. Obedience is not influence. Second, influence is earned over time. It grows when people see your character, consistency, and care. Influence is built on trust. Third, everyone has influence. You don't need a stage or a following. Whether at home, work, or in your community, you're leading someone by how you live. The real question is, what kind of influence are you having? So let me ask you, who are you influencing right now? Maybe it's your kids, your coworkers, your friends. The truth is, you're already a leader. The question is, are you influencing people in the right direction? Remember this, leadership isn't about positions or titles, it's about influence. If you want to grow as a leader, focus on building trust, serving others, and making a positive impact. Because at the end of the day, people don't follow titles, they follow influence. If this inspired you, make sure to watch my other videos in this series on John Maxwell's 21 Laws of Leadership. And hey, drop a comment below. Who has influenced you the most in life, and why? I'd love to hear your story.